Same.
We are here. I'm currently in Thailand and I keep on saying I won't buy any more clothes, and that's because I'm inspired to just save up and either travel around the world or buy these like mini condos, or maybe invest in a hotel someday. Because look at this room, I'm so happy with it. It fits pretty much everything that I need. It's only 21 meters square, which is like 226 feet. Granted, it doesn't have a kitchen, but for 200 square feet, if I was to add a kitchen, it would be like 500 square feet. Like, it's totally doable. Every corner is utilized, and I love how this desk, it has like a little nook to keep all my things, and this, even the TV mount, it's so clever. I like the setup, and I love how it has like this little shelf here, and yeah, it feels very spacious. So, and then I also like this little, I don't know what's it called, like sofa bed. And this is my cute balcony. Yeah, and I like this setup here with the charger, the lights. It's like so minimal and modern, and this is like, it has like 2 modes, and I feel like I can live with this kind of lifestyle.
For baby.
For the baby? Which one?
姐妹。
Ignore the mess, but this is our second hotel. It's a 2-bedroom and about 450 square feet, so a little bit less than my condo, but it feels so spacious, and here's why. The TV is mounted and there's no credenza, so it leaves a lot of room here, and when you walk in, you see the bed, and then there's space for a little sofa. And I like these little nooks on the side. It just adds more space and storage. Okay, this is bathroom number 1. It's a stand-in shower and the toilet. Very minimal, but it's so functional. And this is the second room, which is a comes with a sliding door, and I find this so clever because when you look at it from this point of view, it's basically a studio but then divided into 2 sections. And then, okay, so this is our second room. It's even got space for 2 bulk beds, and here another TV, and I think this area, instead of a TV, you can use it for a desk or for vanity. And this is the fridge. Also more space here for storage. That's David sleeping. So yeah, this will be another option if you have kids. Like, I don't feel it's too crowded. But and then this is the second washroom, and I was thinking instead of the washroom, this could be used as the kitchen. So again, more space here. So imagine this is like the living room situation where the kitchen is here, and then this is the living room minus the bulk beds, and then here is just our bedroom. Bye.